It's hard to imagine, but you will have never seen a winter here. All of this would have been dry, dead land.
So what did you do?
Nothing. We just kept on living our lives. Heads stuck in the ground, pretending everything was fine.
But you knew it wasn't.
All of you are too young to understand how it felt. But it was a scary time.
But a lot was happening already. Even in those earlier days, things started to change.
But not enough. Not fast enough.
We became afraid, started blaming each other instead of addressing the real problem.
You mean climate change?
And not just climate change. It's something much worse. Our own unwillingness to change.
We didn't want to give up even a tiny bit of our comfortable lives. The worse it got, the more selfish we seemed to become.
In those early 20s, more than 3/4 of the world's energy systems still ran on fossil fuels.
We were burning 8 billion tons of coal, guzzling 30 billion barrels of oil every year, and the population was only increasing.
To keep up with those levels of consumption, we had to install 30 times the amount of solar power.
Build 15 times the number of wind turbines. You've seen those be so close. We needed many thousands of them.
And even then, we were never gonna solve this by shifting the energy production alone. We had to completely overhaul the power grid.
For too long, we've been spoiled in our use of energy.
We needed to take a real hard look at ourselves. Countless people have suffered needlessly.
I mean, the technology was already there, just a lack of implementation.
We had to find a way for our entire species to work towards one unified mission.
Coming together in an unprecedented way, beyond borders, national or even personal interests.
This transition would always bring with it pain.
We knew that if somehow, despite all these challenges, we managed to pull it off, a successful energy transition to be the single greatest achievement in the history of mankind. Unlikely. Extremely difficult.
Borderline delusional.
But not impossible.
No, not impossible. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here today.
What changed? Honestly, don't really know.
I like to think it all started with people like you.
Showing a genuine interest and asking the right questions.
Try to understand what's going on. Talking to each other. Honestly.
That's it?
Well, I guess even the greatest achievements have humble beginnings.